Hey, second update of the desert safari. In the desert. That is the desert. Some people say Antarctica is larger. I don't think so. But looking at it, this is way bigger. See, there's sand dunes. It's amazing. Nothing can nothing. No rules, nothing. Prepare you for this. Prepare you for this. That's one of the cars. We had to follow. That's the first car. Yellow car. Yeah. It was great here. Having fun. Yeah. I think. Well, if you want to come along, come to Dubai and have fun. The most important thing about being in the desert, you don't have fun, you don't, it's not cool enough. Oh shit. Oh shit. Now, look how close that came up to me. That was so damn close, I almost died. If I had stayed where I was, see those? Wait. Can't really see those. See those tire tracks down there? That's in the shadow. Yeah, the tire tracks. That's how close. Gotta go. Gotta go. See ya. Bye. The car.